You think the world is unclear, but maybe it's just your lens that needs cleaning. Because sometimes the biggest shift in your life doesn't come from the world changing. It comes from you finally seeing clearly. There is a man standing at a bus stop. Cold morning, grey sky. He's late for work again. Someone bumps into him. Coffee spills. He snaps. He curses the world, curses the people, curses the day. But then he catches his reflection in the bus window. And for a moment, he sees himself clearly. Not the world, himself. A tired man, a hurting man, a man carrying more weight inside than anyone around him could ever see. In that tiny, fragile moment, something shifts. Because when your inner lens is foggy, the whole world looks dirty. People look dangerous. Life feels unfair. Everything seems heavy. But when you wipe the lens, you realize the world was always beautiful. It was your vision that was blurred. And now your lens is clean. You look at people and you don't see enemies. You don't see threats. You see life. You see yourself. You see the same spark that woke up inside you. And suddenly you can't hate anyone because you finally understand. The one who hates you is wrestling with their own darkness. Compassion becomes natural. Forgiveness becomes effortless because anger has already left your body. And when that happens, life flips, life shifts, life sings. You start hearing a music you never noticed before. No instruments, no melodies, a deeper music. The leaves whisper, the wind breathes, the rain taps its rhythm, the world hums. And you become the witness. You don't sing the song, you become the song. Your presence speaks louder than your words ever could. Your silence becomes a language. People understand without translation. You stop asking for things because you realize everything you ever needed was already inside you. You stop expecting because you have discovered your own completeness. And a deep trust arises. Whatever is happening is right. You stop running because running is just another form of fear. Now you accept everything. The rise, the fall, the joy, the ache. This soft, quiet yes becomes your freedom. Life becomes simple. Let what comes, come. Let what goes, go. You sit in the middle, a witness, a watcher, a still point in a spinning world. And in that stillness, life becomes effortless. You understand, everyone wakes up in their own time, some early, some late, but every soul returns home. You stop trying to wake anyone up. You just keep your lamp lit. When someone lost in darkness wanders near, your light shows them the way. When your inner work truly begins, the first thing that grows is silence. You stop reacting, stop arguing, stop rushing to label things right or wrong. This silence isn't weakness. It's depth, it's clarity, it's power. The noise inside you fades, and for the first time, you hear yourself. Earlier you ran from people, from conversations, from your own thoughts. Now you float. You watch every emotion, every fear, every desire without running. This is the beginning of awareness. One day, you realize you have changed, not by force, not by effort, but simply by seeing. Because falsehood cannot survive being seen. And truth grows stronger the more you look at it. Your attention turns inwards. You stop trying to fix others. You start watching yourself. And then a miracle happens. The one who understands himself begins to understand everyone. Because every person's pain, every fear, every desire comes from the same root, not knowing. When you see this, you cannot be angry with anyone. Understanding becomes love, and love is the highest state a human can reach. A new energy rises in you, steady, unshakable. Praise doesn't lift you. Criticism doesn't break you. If someone insults you, you smile, because now you know what they say is not you. It's their mind speaking to itself. Slowly, you discover a peace that no situation can break. This peace doesn't come from control. It comes from understanding. You realize the world won't change because you changed, but your experience of the world will. And that is real transformation. What once hurt you now teaches you. What once confused you now guides you. Every moment becomes a lesson. Every breath becomes a blessing. Gratitude rises like a sunrise inside your chest. You stop complaining because you see everything that happened was meant to awaken you. You rest in your center. Thoughts can't pull you. Emotions can't shake you. You are silent because this silence is alive. It dances, it sings, it smiles. This is meditation, not something you do, but something you become. And then you notice the people around you are changing too. Not because you changed them, but because your energy touched them. Your children learn from your silence. Your partner learns from your balance. This is real teaching. This is real influence. When you change yourself, your life becomes a message. You don't preach, you don't push, you don't persuade. You simply live. And your living becomes a direction for others. One day you realize there are no questions left. Where there is love, there are no questions. Where there is silence, there is no need for answers. You are no longer fighting life, you are dancing with it. The seeker disappears, the search disappears, only being remains. You finally understand you never had to change people. They were only mirrors reflecting your own state. When you were unclear, the world looked unclear. Now that you are clear, the world looks clear. When you work on yourself, you don't change the world. You change the way you see the world. And that clarity turns the world into heaven. No struggle, no fear, no resistance. Only a gentle flow, like a river returning home. Here, your practice ends. Here, your real life begins, full, overflowing, radiant.